Hello, today I will show you how to do Ragdoll physics simulation in Unreal Engine 5.4. Ragdoll will be active when our character's health is under 0. First, we right-click on SKM Queen and click Create Assign under the Physics Asset section and click Create Asset. When we click on Simulate, Ragdoll runs and we save it. We open the BP third-person character. I will use the X key for this system. We connect the set the simulation physics not coming from the mesh to the X key. In collision presets, we choosing the Ragdoll. I set it so that -20 health decrease every time we press the X key. I also set the HP float value to 100. If its HP is 0 or below, the Ragdoll will work. We are testing the Ragdoll system we created. Every time I press it, its health decreases by 20. And when its health reaches 0, the Ragdoll simulate becomes active. Everything works great. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos and comment. See you in the next video.